Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson SV22 and unplug it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the vacuum. Make sure it clicks into place securely. After that, replace the battery cover and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure the cover is secure. Next, we'll move on to changing the filter. The filter is located at the top of the vacuum. Twist the filter cap counterclockwise to remove it. If you notice any dust or debris, use a soft cloth to clean the area before installing the new filter. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Twist the cap back on until it clicks into place. This step is essential for maintaining the suction power of your Dyson SV22. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once you've completed these steps, it's a good idea to give your vacuum a thorough clean. Use a soft brush to remove any dust from the exterior and check for any blockages in the hose. Regular maintenance will prolong the life of your vacuum. Finally, if you're unsure about any part of this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any unexpected surprises. With your new battery and filter installed, your Dyson SV22 is now ready to tackle any cleaning task with renewed efficiency. Regularly check and replace the filter every 6 months to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Happy cleaning! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.